Hello, guys, and welcome to another very wonderful episode of Prime's Money. And so, in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I make passive income staking different tokens and different cryptocurrencies. And in today's example, I'm going to be showing you how I'm about to stake a $10 worth of Radium into the staking farm, and every day I'm going to be getting rewards. So I'm going to be showing you a full step-by-step tutorials. So hang on to the end of this video and make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you'll be notified anytime I release any new content. And so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, I'm going to be leaving a description below where you are going to be learning every single thing about cryptocurrency free. Whereas if you are not new to the cryptocurrency world, you know what I'm about to do. I don't want to go deeply into showing you how to send, how to receive, and everything. You just open a wallet and then go right into it. So right now, I am going to come into this platform called Radium.io, because this is the platform where we are going to be using to stake our Radium token, and the Radium token is owned by this platform. So we'll go hit into staking, and the next thing we want to do is firstly connect our wallet. That's the first thing we want to do, connect our wallet. If you don't know all this, I'm going to be creating a video shortly in a little while, which you'll be seeing above just at the card area, on how to open a wallet and how to set up everything. So I'm just going to approve this transaction, and boom, my wallet has been connected. And so now next thing we want to do is that we want to swap our Solana, the amount of Solana we have inside of our wallet, into Radium. So we'll just go into swap first, and right inside here you are going to see the current price of Radium and the current price of Solana. You can see Solana is at $41 and Radium is at 91 cents. So we are just going to swap our Solana. We put max. You can see that we'll be having about 10.768 Radium. I want to click on swap. Then we'll verify this transaction. We'll approve this transaction. You can see how fast it is. This is because it's the Solana blockchain, and Solana blockchain is so quick, so fast. So let's just wait to get the notification that our Radium swap confirmed. You can see that, and now we have our Sol inside, our Radium inside of our wallet. So we want to click on staking. So we are now done, swapping our Radium. What we have to do next is now stake our Radium, but let me show you that our Radium is right intact inside of our wallet. So I'm just going to bring out my wallet right here. Okay, let's just allow that to load a little bit. It takes some time into the network, and you can see that we have a $9 worth of Radium. That's about 10.76 Radium inside of our wallet. And what we want to do now is that we've entered the staking pool and want to hit on start staking. So we'll put the max amount of Radium we want to stake and click on stake Radium. We'll approve this transaction. Okay, we approve this transaction, and you can see right here below that stake Ray transaction sent, and just in a few moments it's going to be telling us stake Ray confirmed. And now you can see it right there. We are getting an APRO of 14.17%, and this is our pending reward. Every single day you will start seeing this reward. You can see staked 10.76, and then pending reward. Every day when you come back here, you could just harvest your reward. You come right here and you see your rewards right in here. and click on harvest reward. Why you're not seeing this is because you have not gotten any reward. If you come back tomorrow by the same time, you will see a reward inside of this platform. And this is how to make passive income just by staking Radium. So you might ask a question, this APR or this particular APR, is it constant or does it change? Yes, it does change. Like previously, the last time I saw it, which was about a few weeks ago, the APR we get was about 17%, but now it has dropped to 14%, and this has to do with the price of Radium. Depending on the price of Radium, the APR changes. You see, so everything depends on the price. If the price of Radium changes, it affects the amount of reward too you get. So all this works hand in hand. Now you can see right here that while I was just talking, a reward came in. That was 0.0002, which actually means nothing. But before tomorrow, you should be having about, I think, 0.1 or 1 at least. Yes, or 1 Radium, which should be about how many cents? 91 or 97 cents. So it's just, that's how you do it. That's how you do. So you can just click on harvest this reward, you harvest it and put it back into the pool. So that's it, guys. So you can see it even hits 0.5 now. So this is a good way, a very nice way to start earning passive income. You could invest as low as $1, $2, $3 into this pool and start making money passively. Okay, guys, without any further ado, this is the end. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks, guys.